All right, good evening, boys and girls. This is Mr. Packham here. Your homework tonight, we're just doing an extension of what we did last night with 6-3 and multiplying with arrays. And so I'm just going to do the first problem on your worksheet here. Hopefully you have this down pretty well and you can do it. So the first one is 37 times 46. So I'd like you to go ahead and just write that down the vertical way. 37 times 46. Okay, and then we need to break it into arrays. And in order to do that, we're going to take the top number, 37, break it into expanded form. So 30 plus 7. Okay, and we're going to split that down right about here. And then we're going to take the bottom number here, 46, and we're going to break that into expanded form on the left side. So 40 plus 6. And again, we'll break that array across right here. Okay, and now the next step is to go ahead and do our multiplication. We're going to take ones place and multiply it by the ones place. So 6 times 7, and that will give us cushy 42. Okay, our next problem, we're going to take that ones place now and we're going to multiply it by the tens place. So 6 times 30. Remember, that's a 30 because it's in the tens place. So we're going to take the 6 and multiply it by the 30. And if we do that correctly, we know that 6 times 3 is 18. Shoot Bigfoot in the foot, 18. And then we take that 0 and add it on to the end. So 180. So again, we had 7 times 6 was cushy 42. And 6 times 30 was 180. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and multiply the tens place on the bottom. So we've got a 4 in the tens place here. That's like saying 40 times 7. So we'll say tens to ones, 40 times 7. And if we do that correctly, we know that 7 times 4 is too late for the fire. And then we have a 0 here, so we're going to add that 0 on to the end. Okay. Next, we're going to take that tens place over here and multiply it by the tens place up here. So we say tens to tens. It's not 4, it's 40 times 30. So 40 times 30, and again, if you did that correctly, you would take the 4 times the 3, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. I love math. Let's do some more. 12. And then we take those two zeros and add them on to the end. So we have 1,200 or 1,200. So again, we take that 280. We're going to add it right here because 40 times 7 was 280, and then 40 times 30 was 1,200. Now we're going to go ahead and add those up. Oh, what happened to my 2 there? There we go. Add them up. 2 plus all the zeros is a 2. 8 plus 8 is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. So we'll put our 0 and carry the 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we had our 1 there because it's 1 plus nothing. So the answer here is 1,702. Go ahead and write that over here on the side. Okay, make sure you get your comma in there. And that's number 1. Go ahead and do number 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6 down below the same way. And good luck with your homework tonight. Remember, this is just one strategy on how you can multiply these problems. This is the array strategy. We will be using the algorithm strategy here in a couple days. So good luck. See you tomorrow.